example 2 to 4 of your class 9th mathematics chapter number 9 circles. इसके पहले वीडियोस में हमने इससे रिलेटेड सारे टॉपिक्स कवर किए हैं, जिन वीडियोस का लिंक आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. सो प्लीज गो अहेड एंड वॉच दोस वीडियोस फॉर बेटर conceptual understanding. Let's begin with example number 2. Let's read the question first. The question is, in the given figure, AB is the diameter of a circle with center O. CD is a chord such that or equal to the radius of the circle. So CD का length जो है is equal to the radius. So CD is equal to OA is equal to OB. AC and BD when extended intersect at a point E. AC and BD when extended outside the circle meet at point E. Prove that angle AEB, this angle is 60 degrees. Alright. So given में है AB is the diameter with center O. CD is a chord such that CD is equal to OA is equal to OB. AC and BD meet at E when extended. So we need to prove that angle AEB is 60 degrees. Alright. Now we know that these questions are related to the angles made by chords or arcs at the center and cyclic quadrilaterals. Now this is not about cyclic quadrilateral because the fourth point is outside the circle. This is about angles made at the center. Now see, we have one chord of the circle but we do not have the angle made by it. Okay, there are 2-3 concepts that you need to remember. कि angle made by a chord at the center is double the angle made by the same chord on the part of the circle. Another thing is angle made in the semicircle. That means diameter जो भी angle बनाता है circle पे, it will be a right angle. So here can you see a right angle being formed? So yes, I can say कि if I join C to B, if I join C to B, I can get a right angle right here. Okay, and I have CD as the chord. So if I join it with the center, I get an angle made by a chord at the center. Is that clear? So now understand कि OCD is a right angle triangle. It's an equilateral triangle. Why so? Because OC is equal to OD is equal to CD. All the three sides are equal of a triangle. So these three angles are 60 degrees each. COD is 60 degrees. This is the angle made by a chord CD at the center. Can you see another angle made by the same chord on the circle? Yes, we can. Which angle? Angle CBD. B is a point on the circle and it makes an angle CBD with the chord CD. So what will be this? This will be equal to 30. Like I said, the angle made by a chord at the center is double the angle made by the chord on a circle. ठीक है? So angle CBD 30 आया है and angle COD 60 आया है. We have angle ACB as 90. Let's write this down first. We will begin with saying कि draw OC, OD and BC. Okay, firstly. Then we will say कि angle COD is equal to 60 degrees. Why? Because CD is equal to OA is equal to OD for triangle COD. ये आपको प्रूव करने की जरूरत नहीं है कि इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल इसलिए 60 डिग्री से. You can write it directly. Therefore we can say angle CBD is equal to 30. Angle made by a chord in the other part of the circle is half the angle made by the chord at the center. Clear? Also we have angle ACB equal to 90 degrees. Angle made in the semicircle. अब इन दोनों चीजों से क्या पता चलता है? अगर ACB is 90, तो what is angle BCE? This is also going to be 90. Can you see? Angle BCE. We have angle B as 30. We have angle C as 90. Can we find angle E for triangle BCE? So now let's say ये हमारा एक ही चीज आया है. Now ACB is 90. Therefore can I say angle BCE is also 90? Why? Because it is a linear angle to angle ACB. Is it a pair of linear angles on the line AE? Are you seeing it? Angle ACB and angle BCE. This is my equation number 2. Now for triangle, for which triangle are we looking? We are looking for triangle BCE. For triangle BCE, what do we have? Angle BCE plus angle CBE plus angle CEB. जो हमें फाइंड करना है, दो ये वी आर गिवन AEB, बट हम C लेंगे तो इट इज ऑन द सेम लाइन, सो वी कैन से एंगल AEB. सिमिलरली हमें मिला है एंगल CBD, बट इट इज ऑन द सेम लाइन, सो वी कैन से इट एंगल है CBE. करेक्ट? इज इक्वल टू 180 बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. BCE हमें क्या मिला है? 90. CBE हमें क्या मिला है? CBD 30 है. This means कि angle CBE is also 30. Same angle ही है, सिर्फ extended है on the line. So 90 plus 30 plus angle CEB is 180. Therefore, angle CEB is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 30, that is 120, which is equal to 60 degrees. So I have angle AEB equal to 60 degrees. Is that clear? थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग लगेगा बट है नहीं उतना, सिर्फ दो तीन चीजें ही अप्लाई करनी है. chord making an angle at the center, chord making an angle on the circle, chord or diameter making an angle in the semicircle, linear pair of angles and angle sum property. These are the four concepts used in this question. All right, is that clear? Okay, so now let's read and understand example number 3. The question says in the figure 9.20, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which AC and BD are its diagonals. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which AC and BD are its diagonals. If angle DBC is 55 degrees and angle BAC is 45 degrees, find angle BCD. ये बड़ा दिख रहा है, थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है बट बिल्कुल नहीं. ठीक है, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. दो ही अगेन टू concepts that you have to apply are कि the angles made by one chord on the same side of the circle are equal. जैसे ये बताया था in the last video, where this is the chord, this is the center, then these are the angles made by the chord on the same side, so these angles will be equal. So that is the concept that you have to utilize. And another concept that you have to use is that opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. They are supplementary. Clear? So now if you can see that CD is a chord for the given circle. So CD makes one angle CBD with the on this side of the circle, which is the another angle made by chord CD. It is CAD. Can you say? So this will be 55. So if this is 45 and this is 55, what is the sum? 100. Angle BAD is 100, and we know that angle BAD plus angle BCD will give you 180, opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. So therefore BCD will be equal to 80 degrees. Right? Let's write down how we can write this. We'll say for the given circle, what do we have? We have chord CD makes angle CBD and angle CAD on the same side of the circle. Therefore angle CBD is equal to angle CAD, which is given to us as angle CBD or DBC is given to us as 55. Therefore we can say angle BAD is equal to angle BAC plus angle CAD sum, which is equal to 45, which is given, plus CAD जो हमने फाइंड किया 55, which is equal to 100. Now for cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, angle BAD plus angle BCB is equal to 180, opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore angle BCB or angle BAD which is 100, 180 minus 100 which is 80 degrees. So your required angle is 80 degrees. Clear? Okay, now let's quickly understand example number 4. बहुत easy है, very easy, 2-step question. Let's understand. The question is, two circles intersect at points A and B. Two circles intersect at points A and B. AD and AC are the diameters of two circles as shown. Prove that B lies on line segment BC. AD and AC are the diameters. To prove is कि B lies on line segment BC. ठीक है, very easy. Let's understand क्या करेंगे. See, if AD is the, we will first draw AB. Okay. So if AD is the diameter of a circle, then what is angle ABD? It is an angle made by diameter on the circle. So it is a right angle. So I can say angle ABD is 90. Similarly, AC is the diameter. Therefore, angle ABC is also 90. Therefore, can I say angle DBC is 180? That is, DBC is a single line. They all three lie on one line. Therefore, B lies on line BC. Clear? Let's quickly write down. This is example number 4. You start with saying join AB. Now AC is the diameter of a circle, making angle ABD at the AC AD. Okay, we'll begin with AD. AD is the diameter of the circle, making angle ABD on the circle. Therefore, angle ABD is 90. Similarly, I can say AC is the diameter, making angle ABC on the circle. Therefore, angle ABC is also 90. Therefore, I can say angle ABD plus angle ABC is equal to 180. Therefore, I can say B lies on BC because B is forming linear angles. ABD and ABC are forming linear angles with the line BC. Therefore, B lies on line segment BC. Example 5 is a bit lengthy, so it is covered in a separate video. Please watch the next